Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create timesheets in Clockify. Whether you're tracking your own work hours, managing employee attendance, preparing payroll records, or monitoring project time, Clockify's timesheet feature makes it easy to log and organize your hours. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Clockify account and open the workspace where you want to create a timesheet. Make sure you have access to the projects and tasks you'll be tracking. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click the Timesheet section in the navigation menu. This view allows you to enter hours directly into a weekly timesheet format. Why and that's how to create timesheets in Clockify. By entering projects, tasks, descriptions, and work hours into the timesheet view, you can maintain accurate records and improve time management across your projects and teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.